Busy moving around, but still want to trade? We make it easy for you. Trading has never been easier with ByBit. The ByBit app brings the world of trading into your hands. And the best part? Set it up faster than you can write us that thank you card. All you need are 3 simple steps. The ByBit app is available for download on Android and iOS platforms. No account? No problem. Simply open the ByBit app and hit Sign Up. Right there on the top right corner of the page. Using email or a mobile number, whichever suits your fancy. You will get a verification code. It depends on what you've signed up with. Check your inbox or SMS. Once you type in the code here, you're all set. If you have any questions, we're here for you 24/7. Reach out to our customer support. ByBit app. Next level trading.